The latest release of Bluebeam Revu brings exciting new features that will improve data accuracy and workflow efficiency. The Multiply feature creates offset copies of markups and measurements and allows you to determine the copy direction, distance, and item quantity, greatly improving the speed and accuracy of generating multiple copies of items. You can also now add markup lists, data to custom measurement captions, displaying data such as type, size, and status of the markup. By displaying custom captions right on the drawing, you won't have to expand the markups list as often. To improve workflows that require center measurements, center X and center Y columns are now supported in the markups list, automatically calculating center coordinates with precision. Unpaid guest collaborators in studio sessions can now communicate more effectively by having access to essential markups such as stamps, snapshots, the highlight tool, and the Cloud Plus markup. Lastly, Swedish users and unpaid collaborators have access to the Nordic-compliant BEAS 3.0 review profile. To learn more about these updates, visit university.bluebeam.com.